Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make bone broth taste better. A delicious bone broth begins with good quality bones, and roasting them beforehand can significantly deepen the flavor. To extract the most nutrients and create a richer texture, add a mild acid like 1 or 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. Remember to season your broth gradually with salt and pepper, tasting periodically to achieve the perfect balance without making it too salty. To truly elevate your bone broth, incorporate aromatic vegetables. Onions, carrots, and celery are essential, providing natural sweetness and earthy notes. Garlic and leeks will build a robust flavor profile and an enticing aroma. For a deeper, savory richness, consider adding mushrooms and tomatoes, which infuse the broth with umami. These additions not only improve the taste, but also pack your broth with valuable vitamins and antioxidants. Herbs and spices are key to adding complexity and character to your bone broth. Fresh herbs like parsley, cilantro, basil, or chives can brighten the flavor with their vibrant notes. Dried herbs such as thyme, rosemary, and bay leaves introduce earthy and aromatic dimensions. For a warm or zesty kick, try ginger, turmeric, or even a hint of star anise. Don't be afraid to experiment with different combinations to discover your favorite taste. The final touches can transform your bone broth into a truly delightful drink. A squeeze of fresh lemon or lime juice brightens the flavor and balances any richness. For a luxurious mouthfeel, stir in a tablespoon of healthy fat like grass-fed butter or coconut oil. You can also add a dash of hot sauce, miso paste, or coconut aminos for an extra layer of flavor. Always taste and adjust your seasonings right before serving for the best experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.